this is part 2 of the second exercise in chapter 6. In part 1, we made the calculation for the flexible budget for the 3 months, January, February, and March, which we see here. Now in part 2, we are going to enter the flexible budget amounts and the actual costs and make a comparison. So here we have the totals. I'll just copy these down. So in January, my budget was $391,250. In February, it's $362,500, and in March, it's $328,000. Now the actual costs that came from up here, which were these numbers right here, the actual spent, $399,000. So we'll enter that. We'll enter $384,000 for February. And we'll enter $364,000 for March. Now we're going to find the difference, and in this case my actual cost for January exceeded my flexible budget. So if I take the $391,250 and subtract $399,000, I'm actually over budget, so I'm going to enter that as a negative number of $77.50. Then I'm going to look at February, and I have $362,500, and I'm subtracting $384,000. Again, I'm over budget, so I have a minus or negative $21,500. In March, I have $328,000 in my flexible budget minus my actual cost of $364,000. I'm over budget again by $36,000. So in this case, the machining department has performed better than originally thought? No, because I'm over budget. If these numbers were positive, which you may have in your example, then you would say yes. And the department is spending more than would be expected. Yeah, we are, because we should have spent according to our flexible budget, and instead we're spending it the other way. Let me check my answer. Okay, and we did good there. Now, let me stop this thing. There it is. It was just, I just looked at this, and it says that all numbers are supposed to be entered as positive numbers. So here I'm excess over actual cost over budget. So that should actually be a negative, or not a negative number, but a positive number. That's okay. It seems to ignore it anyway. So I hope you enjoyed this example, and good luck to you.